Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Shade Cloak, the only way. To begin your journey, you must first acquire the Mothwing Cloak. This crucial item is found within Green Path after you successfully defeat the formidable Hornet Protector. This initial dash ability is fundamental, allowing for swift horizontal movement and setting the stage for your ultimate upgrade. Your next vital step involves securing the King's Brand. This ancient and powerful mark is located deep within Kingdom's Edge. To claim it, you must bravely face and defeat Hera the Beast, one of Hallownest's dreamers. The King's Brand is absolutely essential for progressing to the next stage of your quest. Once you possess the King's Brand, make your way to the Ancient Basin. Here, you will use the brand to unlock the sealed path leading down into the mysterious abyss. This dark and foreboding area is a critical location, holding the key to your desired upgrade. Be prepared for a challenging and perilous descent into the void. Finally, navigate through the treacherous depths of the abyss until you reach its lowest point. There, you will encounter a powerful void entity that bestows upon you the coveted Shade Cloak. This ultimate dash upgrade allows you to pass harmlessly through enemies and projectiles, providing a significant advantage in combat and exploration. Congratulations on obtaining this powerful ability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.